Imagine a world where moving goods was slow, laborious, and inefficient. What if I told you the key to the modern, fast-paced logistics world lies in these simple wooden structures? These unassuming wooden pallets are the unsung heroes of global trade. But how did we get here? And what makes these pallets so crucial to keeping our world moving? Throughout history, the way we transport and store goods has evolved dramatically. In ancient times, merchants relied on sacks, crates, and amphorae to move their wares. These early containers were effective for small-scale trading, but were labor-intensive to handle. By the Middle Ages, barrels became the gold standard for shipping liquids and dry goods. Their cylindrical shape made them easy to roll and stack, revolutionizing trade across seas and continents. As industrialization took hold, wooden crates and boxes became prevalent in warehouses and factories. While these containers protected goods well, they required significant manpower to move and organize. The early 20th century brought technological advancements. Forklifts were invented, allowing workers to lift and move heavy loads with ease. But there was still a missing piece to maximize efficiency. Enter the wooden pallet. Developed during World War II, these simple, sturdy platforms standardized the way goods were stored and transported. With pallets, warehouses became more organized, loading and unloading times were slashed, and global trade soared to new heights. Today, wooden pallets are the backbone of the logistics industry, supporting billions of tons of goods worldwide. But have you ever wondered how these essential tools are made? Join us as we uncover the fascinating process behind the creation of wooden pallets, from raw logs to the reliable platforms that keep our world moving. Let's dive in. It all starts here in the log yard, where we stockpile powerful oak and hickory logs. These trees are nature's giants, providing the strength and durability that make the best pallets. Before we can turn these logs into pallets, our saw blades get a little TLC. With autonomous sharpening, these blades are honed to perfection, ready for the task ahead. Watch as our skilled workers mark the logs and fire up their chainsaws for the initial cuts. This is precision at its finest, setting the stage for what's to come. Now the real magic happens. Logs roll onto a conveyor system. Where laser-guided technology first removes all the bark, revealing a fresh inner block of equal proportions. With the bark gone, the logs are sliced into two different sizes of planks. One for the blocks, and another for the deck boards. It's like a high-tech dance of wood and machinery. Meet our deck boards, the long planks destined for greatness. These are further cut down to size before being sent through a series of rollers. And sliced into even pieces. As you can see, the finished boards are packaged in their own sets before going to the treatment phase. Next, both deck boards and block stock take a dip in a mysterious green foamy liquid. This isn't just for show, it's a special treatment to protect and preserve the wood. After their foamy bath, the planks are left outside to soak up the sun and dry out completely. This ensures they're ready for the next steps. Once dry, the deck boards are grouped in sets of 6 and cut into smaller planks. Meanwhile, the block stock pieces are precisely cut into blocks. Every piece is prepared for its role in the final assembly. Now the grand assembly begins. The deck boards form the top and bottom surfaces, creating a sturdy base. The blocks act as spacers, providing essential support between these layers. With expert hands and a few well-placed nails, our deck boards and blocks come together in perfect harmony. The result, a robust pallet ready to carry the heaviest loads. And there you have it, the incredible journey from raw logs to reliable pallets. These unsung heroes of the shipping world are now ready to do their job. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes action in manufacturing and production.